up on here.
Front locker. Front locker.
Come on, Gaten, just keep going. 100 miles an hour, 0. Every time it does, locker goes good.
I bet it might be the plug in the back of the gas. Roll it good.
Well, I gotta take the locker though.
The lights for the lockers up there.
These are ARBs though.
I think the front was cool.
Going to a stop.
I think it's still operating stop too.
Yeah, stay with it. Don't stop. Stay with it.
Locker?
You could be the next business town. Stay a little bit driver's side. There's a stump that you keep hitting on the right.
Stay right there where you're at and then turn.
Yeah, keep going straight from there and come forward about 10 feet and then turn right.
Rear locker. Come on, Ronnie.
Come on, Ronnie.
I didn't go up by itself.
Yeah, she probably did.
The trail's enough going out to the garage.
It's not locked. Rear still isn't locked. Don't blame Ronnie, he's got rally cap for you.
Have you heard that new rapper? Kurt whines a lot.
That's better line to get, right?
Nope. I think it's screen got a piece of Mondays. Oh, it works.
What? Back's not working?
Your Jeep's great when it locks.
Once they're all locked up, you go. Oh!
Ring. What?
Hold on, let me look. Let me look.
No, that sounded like something else.
No, I think it was probably that shock.
It was a shocking noise.
Alright, springs in there. Yeah, I think the shock's like hanging straight down. I think it just like nailed the rock.
Drive shaft still intact.
As far as you know.
Hold on, hold on.
Here, I'll get a selfie with you, Ronnie.
Alright, everything I see looks.
Whoa! Still over.
Alright, go ahead.
Craig, it looks great from right here.
There's gonna be a selfie or two in every video of mine.
So what's the line?
This is an awesome video.
Straight. Just straight.
Yeah, straight.
Gas it and go.
Back up and get a little bump.
Yeah, back up.
That way, yes.
You're gonna need a little more bump than usual.
How far can I go back?
Right there.
Do a day in a bump.
Gas and go right there.
If your front end touches the ground, we'll be disappointed.
They want to see the wheelies all the way up.
Showtime would have done it better.
All right, Craig, do something amazing.
You've got 4 or 5 feet to go back if you want it.
How back.
You're fine. You can go another foot. Yeah, you can go another foot.
He's taking that foot like half inch at a time.
It just feels weird to me, that's all.
I do the same thing.
I think that's that shock hanging down.
I think that sounded like your gas tank skid hitting that rock.
Bumper.
What's that sound?
What's that sound, Craig?
Your spring's out.
Is it?
Looks like it.
Gotta check the spring.
Tire's all up in the fender.
Yep, he's out.
Winter up.
Winter up.
He's out.
That's not supposed to be there.
Hey.
Alright, you got Strat?
Where's your...
Oh, you left something on the
More wheel speed.
Zoom in on that.
What is that? That's amazing.
What did you do? Man, that used to be a nice Jeep.